happening, guys? Coming up to the bridge, my fishing spot. It's actually a lot of people's fishing spot, but it's a nice place, nice morning. A little foggy, a lot of foggy. We've had some cold fronts rolling through, so in the morning I want to throw top water, but I think I just might have to be patient and let like a popping cork or even a soft plastic. Hopefully that'll get the job done today. And yeah, just wish me luck. Alright, good morning out on the causeway. Caught 2 keeper trout and a little jack. That was kind of cool. Yeah, really pretty morning. I think that's what I'm going to start doing, is getting out here early. And who knows, I think I saw a red. You might see it in the video. Come up, give it a little love tap, and skedaddle. But yeah, no, that's the spot. That's the spot right there. And I'll show you what we got when we get back to the house. After a successful day out on the water, morning hour I should say, came home with 2 keeper trout. Pretty good ones. There's one. Decent size. I'll have to measure it. I'll get back to you on that. And yeah, no, beautiful day, and more to come. He gobbled up that lure, so I was gonna have to keep him anyways. And have the right tools, couple pretty marks on them. bud. About 22.5 inches. Pretty fish, chunky little guy. Thanks for the fight, bud. Thank you for the fight. Sorry for all the troubles. That was fun. Not bad for the first fillet for redfish. Plenty of trout. Yeah, last I didn't bring pliers out with me, so I got to retrieve that sucker. Yeah, real pretty fish. Real pretty.